finally December and time to share our blogging income report for the month of November. Alright, we're going to kick this off with our social media key performance indicators, starting off with YouTube. We ended the month of November with 378 subscribers. That's a gain of 20 subscribers, but our growth rate is down 64% from October. We ended with just under 13,000 views. Our lifetime views is at 12,784. That is a growth of 1,258, but that growth rate is down 48% from October. Watch hours this last month were just over 100, growth rate down 30%. We lost almost half of the impressions we had last month and ended with 16,945. Our click-through rate fell as well, down 15% to 3.6%. But our average view duration has gone up 36%, and it's now sitting at 5 minutes and 20 seconds. We put out 4 new videos, and the age of our channel is 9 months old. So what does this data tell us? Well, we had a few videos that didn't perform very well, and I think it has to do with the lack of promotion. When we do launch a video, we promote it on our social medias, and that really helps us boost the algorithm once that video is released. This month we just didn't have time to do that. We barely had time to put videos together, so when they launched, whatever views we got were pretty organic. They were given to us by YouTube. And I think you can see that by looking at our drop of impressions, down 40%. Our click-through rate is down as well. So with a combination of impressions and click-through rate, that tells me we're not reaching our audience. If you look at our average view duration, that's gone up 36% and is now sitting over 5 minutes. That tells me that the content we put out is good quality to the people that we are reaching. Let's run through our Instagram. We ended the month with 998 followers. That's up 11 followers from last month. That growth rate is at 1%, and we only put out 3 posts this month. As a result of our limited activity on Instagram, we only drove 3 clicks to our website, and our content interactions from those 3 posts we did sat at 40. There's not much to report from link in bio. You can see the stats there. Alright, not a lot happening on Facebook. We actually lost a follower. Page likes have gone up a little bit for some reason. We posted 8 times. Out of those 8 posts, we got 22 engagements. Pinterest, we still haven't done anything with Pinterest. Moving on to our email list. We finished this month with a total of 250 subscribers. That's an increase of 48 subs. We did lose 31 subscribers this month. We ran 21 different email campaigns, sending out a total of just under 4,000 emails. Out of all those emails we sent out, our open rate was 35%, which totals out to just under 1,400 emails open. Our click-through rate, so people actually following a link from those emails, was at 5%, which equals 190 clicks. Out of those 4,000 emails we sent out, 3 subscribers marked us as spam. So what am I picking up from this data? Well, out of 4,000 emails, 3 people marked us as spam. So the content of our emails are pretty good stuff. The open rate is over 1/3, which also tells me we're reaching the right audience. The click-through rate's 5%. I don't think that's bad. We're still showing growth of subscribers, almost 50 this month, which is down from September and October. But considering that we weren't able to put a lot of effort into blogging this month, 50 is pretty good. And I think those subscribers came from the work that we put in October. Okay, let's move on to our website traffic. This month we actually only published one article. That brings our total articles on our website to 30, and the age of our blog is 4 months old. SEMrush shows that we rank for 392 organic keywords, which is huge. That's over triple of what we were ranking for last month. We're showing up for 26 keywords on the first page, so that's the first 10 articles on a Google search. 5 of our keywords are within the top 3 articles. Our organic traffic sessions sit just under 200. Our SEMrush authority score is at 20 out of 100. Moz domain authority is sitting at 7 out of 100. Our Alexa score fell by 100%. I'm not completely sure why. It might have something to do with only publishing one article this month when we typically post 8. I know that a lack of consistency hurts your Google rankings. But even though we practically didn't publish any new content this month on our blog, we still doubled our impressions and total clicks. The average amount of time that people are sticking around on a single page has fell, but it's still pretty close to that 1 minute range. Our bounce rate continues to fall, but I don't necessarily see that as a bad sign. To me, that means people are finding what they're looking for when they go to our site. Organic traffic continues to grow. It's up over 100 searches. To reinforce what I said earlier about our lack of promotion on social media, you can see the traffic coming from our social media has definitely fallen this month. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with our website analytics this month, considering we only put out 1 new piece of content on our blog and 4 new YouTube videos and didn't promote anything. We're still seeing continued growth almost all the way across the board, which is a good sign. But I feel like we're still riding the waves from the momentum of the last few months. If we continue not to publish new content or promote our existing content, many of these numbers will fall. All right, now that we wrapped up our analytics, let's talk about November's income. Affiliate networks. We are signed up as an affiliate for ConvertKit, and I logged on this morning to discover that we have a lead that came to us mid-November. That lead hasn't paid out yet, but we should receive 30% of whatever that sale is. If that sale actually goes through, I'll have to come back here and backdate November's chart. Advertising networks. We're still working with Google AdSense. We made $8.68. So if we click over here to October, that's up just under $1 from last month. Pretty good considering that our traffic is still pretty low and that $8.68 is basically free money. Sponsored posts, nothing. Partnerships, nothing. Products. We did sell some products this month. Our Blogging Money Formula program, we signed up 3 people at $99 a month for a 4-month plan. So for the next 4 months, we should be getting $300 a month from those signups. Blogging Money Update subscribers, we gained 6 this month, each paying $29.99 for a total of $179.94. We have 2 returning subscribers from the previous month, paying out just under $60. And we have 2 subscribers who were grandfathered in at a lower price. So our total product sales are at $570.91. November has the same recurring expenses that we have every month, totaling out to $72.71. We didn't have any single-time expenses this month, but we do have a personnel expense for $55 from our transcriber. So it all boils down to this, our profit and loss summary. Total monthly income was $579.59. Total expenses were $127.71. We're estimating $99 for taxes, which leaves us at $352.47 profit for this month. All right, that wraps up November's income report. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you made it this far. You can also go over to our website, bloggingmoneylife.com, and check out all our blogging resources we have to offer. If you like the monetization tracker sheet, you can download it from there. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.